Last week, honestly, I haven't manifested a big thing that I will practice manifestation with active mind and then I will tell you how it works or not. The family somehow gets divided into two parts. Whatever happened in between was meant to happen. I was more into prayers and not into spirituality. That Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 8 of Heart to Heart Conversations with Simlish. In today's video, I'm honestly gonna share whatever's there in my heart because for the last 2 weeks, a lot has happened. Honestly, I'm telling you that manifestation, the secret, the greatest secret, affirmations, gratitude, and even a web series known as Manifest, all of these things have taken over my life, I'm telling you. Today, I'm going to share numerous things with all of you. Let's begin with them one by one. Last Sunday, I was just scrolling through Netflix and one web series known as Manifest appeared on my screen. I saw that it has like 4 seasons and I was baffled whether I should watch it or not, but since it was Manifest, I started watching that and I have almost completed 1 season as of now. It's Friday today and trust me, it is so mind-boggling, emotional, and it's such a ride, I would say. Like, so many things that I wouldn't have ever thought. I'm watching that in the series. I know some of you might have watched it and many of you might not have. Let me share what the entire theme of the story as of now is. So basically, a family goes to Jamaica for a trip, and when they reach the airport to travel back to their city, what happens that the family somehow gets divided into two parts. One part of the family somehow reaches home safely, and the other part of the family, they hit a massive turbulence in the aeroplane, and as soon as they reach home, they discover that they boarded the plane in 2013 and they landed in 2018. So there was a massive difference of 5.5 years. Most of the passengers start getting messages from a power which they call as callings. They are ordered to do something or the other, whatever the message tells them to do. And they keep on digging into a lot of things in the entire web series. So my learning from Manifest is basically whatever happens for a reason. I have been a big follower of this statement, everything happens for a reason, and when they get those callings, they perform the task, they are able to resolve something or the other. It's like more of a real life puzzle. So they are able to resolve or solve some kind of a problem, which I believe is they realize कि यार पहले ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ, and ultimately when they are able to reach to the end of that entire problem, they realize कि यार ये start यहाँ से हुआ था, ये end यहाँ पर हुआ, whatever happened in between was meant to happen so that they could resolve it. This is my takeaway from that series as of now, that whatever we are going through, whatever happens in our journey of life happens for a reason. Ultimately, हमें पता लगे या ना लगे, we have gone through everything for a reason. We might not discover it, but yes, it happens for a reason. Another thing that I want to share is God. Let me tell you. So I told you that we all will experiment with manifestation together, especially I would do that. I have not been able to follow up with manifestation for the last 1 week, I would say, because last Tuesday, due to some or the other reason, I slept at 5 a.m. I was talking to my friends. So that hindered my sleep schedule. Till now, I haven't been able to get back to my normal sleep schedule. I still sleep at 3 or 4 a.m. Simultaneously, I started watching Manifest, which was intriguing. So this happened. Now, the point what I want to make here is, like, I was practicing manifestation, affirmations, and all of these things, basically an experiment, as I said. I have discovered how powerful my mind has become, or it has started attracting things out of nowhere. The things that I think about have started coming true. I don't know how. So somehow I thought about one of my closest juniors from college on Sunday or Monday, and honestly, I'm telling you, he appeared in front of me on Monday at night. I don't know how this happened. I'll share a picture as well. I hadn't thought about him in a long time, and boom, he was there in front of me. Secondly, just because I was sleeping a bit late in the morning, I started telling people that, you know what, my sleep cycle has been screwed, my sleep cycle has been screwed, I cannot sleep on time, and that is what I attracted. Till date, I am not able to sleep on time, and it clicked my mind yesterday that इतने दिनों से I have been speaking the same thing, and time से कैसे ही सो सकती थी मैं, if you know these things work. Since I mentioned that a lot of things were happening simultaneously, due to which I could not practice affirmations and manifestation because my mind wasn't able to process a lot of things at once. Like, I have to read The Greatest Secret, I have to watch the documentary related to secret, manifestation, affirmation. I have to practice that with active mind so that I can see the difference whether it is working or not. Then I have to manage my classes as well. I have my work deadlines, meetings. So for the last week, honestly, I haven't manifested a big thing, but how my mind has become stronger. Like I have discovered that our mind is really powerful of achieving whatever we can think of. That is why manifestation comes in place, right? जो आप सोचोगे वो सच हो जाएगा. This is what manifestation is all about. Now, one more thing. Since childhood, I have always been a religious person. I was more into prayers and not into spirituality that much. So I would follow all the customs and traditions of my religion. So basically, I follow Sikhism. I had heard about manifestation, but I never practiced that because I thought that if my God is there, He's taking care of me. Why would I read about manifestation and all? I was not much into scientific things, right? But recently, The Secret appeared in front of me randomly. And I was like, chalo, let's watch it. I had a lot of time to kill. I started watching that documentary, and gradually I started manifesting things. And then you won't believe, one fine day at night, I was going to Bangla Sahib and we had to take one route, but we mistakenly went to the other one. And till that day, I hadn't ever seen a hoarding of manifestation, like उस पे लिखा हुआ था manifestation कैसे करें and stuff like that. And I was like, अभी manifestation life में आया है and अभी मुझे हर जगह manifestation is all around me these days. Then this web series happened. So yeah, as I said, I was more into practicing my religion, but then The Secret happened. Then I bought that Greatest Secret. I have read it, but I discovered that it is more about spirituality, how you get to know about your soul and all of those things. So I have kept it on hold. And बाकी reasons मैंने आपको बता दिया अभी क्या चल रहा है for the last week. My aim for this month is going to be to fix my sleep cycle first, maintain a healthy diet, and simultaneously for the next week I have a target that I will practice manifestation with active mind, and then I will tell you how it works or not. Lastly, I would just compare a bit of a difference that I have discovered between practicing religion and manifestation, because religion is more about your customs and traditions that you have to follow. आपके अपने beliefs होते हैं जो आपको follow करने होते हैं, whereas manifestation is more about reality and scientific kind of a terminology, right? So basically in religion we have our own figures जिनको हम God consider करते हैं. In Sikhism it is Guru Granth Sahib Ji, in Hinduism it is Lord Krishna, Shiva, and a lot of other goddesses. And same happens with other religions as well, right? But in manifestation we are more into affirmations and thinking that ये चीज reality में मेरे पास है. I have to imagine, ठीक है? Now in prayer I believe that हम वो चीजें भगवान से मांग रहे हैं. You know, we are praying कि please मुझे इसे दे दो, and then आपके अपने अपने तरीके हो सकते हैं. But manifestation and affirmations is more into that you believe कि ये चीज मेरे पास already है. आप pray नहीं कर रहे हो, you believe कि हाँ ये already मेरे पास है, and you are so sure, you are so much into your imagination कि हाँ आप पूरा imagine कर रहे हो ये चीज मेरे पास है. So this is what I have learned, that affirmations basically give you more strength. Prayer definitely वो आपका belief show करता है. बट एफर्मेशंस इज लाइक आप बिलीव कर रहे हो, आप उस चीज को ऑलरेडी जी रहे हो बिफोर यू हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड दैट. एंड बाकी तो विल बी कवरिंग इन द कमिंग वीडियोस. आई थिंक आई शुड स्टॉप इट राइट हियर. सो the thing which is even more valuable than money these days is time. I literally can't thank you all enough for pouring out so much love on all the videos that I have shared recently. Honestly, I feel so overwhelmed if you take out even 10 to 11 minutes to watch our videos. I can't tell you what that means to me. Thank you. I have a lot of new ideas for the coming videos. In the next video, my brother will definitely accompany me. Stay tuned. Please drop something in the comment box so that I get to know that there are real people watching me, getting in touch with me, and do subscribe to my channel because you don't know how much happiness that gives me. It is not my ultimate goal, but yes, when I discover that लोग हैं, लोग आ रहे हैं मेरे चैनल पे, that gives me immense happiness. And I just want to keep on doing this for all of you and for myself. So just take care. I'll see you in the episode 9. Stay tuned. Bye.